Hey there, sweet treat lovers. Today we are diving into something delicious. How to make classic fluffy donuts right at home. Do well to check the description box below for the list of ingredients and measurements. Shout out to Yemiting Success all the way from Atlanta, United States of America. Do let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Enjoy the process. Now it's time to knead. You are to knead this for about 20 minutes or until it's smooth and elastic. Oil your bowl and place your dough inside and allow to rest for about 45 minutes. Here's the result after 45 minutes. Punch it to release air. Divide your dough into two and cut into tiny pieces. Now for this process, you will be needing a scale. Mine here, I had to use my discretion, but it is advisable to use a scale. Take a piece and flatten on your palm and then gently fold just as seen in this video. Ensure you seal up completely to avoid opening while frying. Enjoy the process. After molding, I flatten with one finger. The essence is for it to expand. Heat up some cooking oil in a frying pan to 175 degrees. Carefully place the donuts in the oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for about 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, homemade donuts that are soft, sweet, and oh, so satisfying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty tutorials. Bye!